Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add comment section in Wix. For example, if I were to scroll down on this blog post that I had created, you can see the comment section right here. I'll be showing you how to add that. The first thing you will need to do is go into your Wix admin page. Once on your Wix admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you can select blog. After selecting blog, once you have created a blog post, you are going to tap on comments. After selecting comments from the drop-down menu option, you are going to tap on more actions in the top right-hand corner. Then you will select comment settings, and you are going to toggle on comments. After you have done that, you can choose whether only members will be able to leave a comment or everyone. So you can select either option. You can also scroll down and you can allow readers to add a star ratings when they leave a comment if you want. So you can toggle this on or you can leave it as is. Once you're finished making your changes, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.